Hi, right now we on tow yard and we trying to find our vehicle. Nobody don't know where is it, but we going to pick up our vehicle and drive to shop. Lots of stuff. Oh, I remember this Odyssey. I also trying to buy it. Oh, it's here. So it's good car. We take it to our shop and fix it. Good. So, and what we have here? We have Tucson 2017 and only 53,000 kilometers. Yeah, it's saying that this turn signal is not working because it's right here, but the rest of it is perfect. Condition is work, nothing damage inside. We have good amount of good feature inside vehicle, like blind spot sensors, full wheel drive, and lock differential. And look at this panorama, it's amazing. So if you want to and looking for something like this, and yeah, just write me a message. Maybe you want to be the next owner of this beautiful vehicle. Later I can show you how we fix this vehicle. So right now I'm driving to shop, and yeah, subscribe to see how we fix vehicle, and I show you how we sell vehicle and everything, and I show you how we from dirty shitty body shop become to dealership. Bye.